Hi guys, this is Toto. I'm back again with my second video, and in this video I want to talk about a character that's true to my heart. Her name is Canary, and she's from one of my favorite animes, X Hunter. And so if you're interested in watching me recreate her look, then stay tuned. Okay, first things first, I want to start off with my primer, and the primer I'm going to use is from Hourglass. It's called the Veil. And I like this primer because it helps protect my face without me looking super white or super purple like some of the sunblocks have when they have a lot of SPF. So I'm going to put some of that on first. And then I'm going to follow up with another primer that I love. And with this primer, I just put it on places that's going to get super oily or super like greasy. Who is calling me? Like seriously? Oh my gosh. Decline. Okay. Anywho, so this is the primer. It's Tatcha Silk Canvas. I just got the little size because I like it, but I don't want to spend like a boatload of money on like a primer that I'm just using as a second base. So I'm going to put a little bit on here. This is where I get oily the most, and my forehead a little bit, and down my nose and the sides of my nose. Okay, so I have that on. Actually, I should put some of this on my eyes since I'm gonna do my eye makeup soon. Just a little bit. I don't need a lot. Okay, so for my eyes, I'm super excited about this because I love Fenty. I love all things Fenty. I think they're a great company. They kind of set the standard for like people caring about makeup and people of darker complexions, so I'm always happy about that. And so I'm going to use two things. I'm going to use Kilowatt foil. It looks like this. It's the packaging. Whoa. And this one is called Penny for Your Thoughts. And it looks like kind of like a penny, like copper. I already used it one time, so there we go. Kinda. Let me try to focus. I don't know how to use my camera, obviously. Okay, well, this is what it looks like. Let me at least swatch it so you can kind of see what it looks like before I put it on. And you know what? Let me see. Okay, you could kind of see it here. Well, not from back there. Alright, it's not focusing. Let me try to do it manually. Maybe that will work. This is like, I don't know. Oh, I see focusing. Okay. Whoa. That is close. Actually, I should leave it right here. Yeah, since I'm going to do my eye look, I'm going to leave it. But I need you to focus now. So let's get started with this. So I could kind of see it on my hand right here, but I kind of want more of an impact. So I think I'm going to wet it when I use this. But let me start off with a transitional color. So I'm going to use a little MAC thing I have going on here. Yes, filthy, but it's okay. So I think I'm gonna mix these two brown colors. This dark one right here, and then the one next door. Yeah, I'm gonna mix these two. Kind of looks like that already, but I just want it a little bit deeper. Whoa, that's a lot. I was not expecting it to look like that. Oh, okay. I mean, it's something. Mix this again. Tap off the excess, and this is a little dark for a transitional color. If anything, this is like a crease color. Yeah, so I'm gonna say this is a crease color. And maybe I could do another lighter color on top to kind of blend out the edges. So that's what I'm gonna do. See, it's just like, this is a learning curve, guys. This is I don't know. So as a transitional color, I think I'm gonna use, let's go back to this. You see this tan? This looks like a little tan color right here. Can you pick it up? Yeah. Alright. So I think I'll use that. That will be my true transitional color. True transition. Okay. So that's here. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the star of the show, which is Penny for Your Dots. Oh, I like that color. This is pretty. It does look like a penny too. I have like 3 mirrors around, so that's why I'm looking like a crazy person right now. I'm looking in, like, I have a mirror here, I have a hand mirror here, and then I'm trying to look in the camera, but I forget that to do that like ever so often. So yeah, I have to practice, guys. This is like new for me. Okay, I need them to be even. You know, for someone that doesn't know how to do makeup, I think I'm doing pretty good as far as the colors. At least the colors kind of like go with each other. So I'm happy about that. It's not bad. It's not a bad, you know, not a bad job. Okay, but I'm gonna go back and try to blend this together, this look together. Oh, wow. It wasn't recording? Okay guys, I finished the look. I don't know when it stopped recording. Yeah, so I did my eye makeup. It took a long time. It was a learning curve with the eyeliner, okay? And then I did my concealer. I did the foundation using Julia's Place. I did my lips using Beauty Bakery. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've got to look through the footage and see what's missing. But yeah, I'm going to finish off this look with adding a Canary's hair. And then the rest of her like uniform, she works as a butler apprentice. So when I have that all together, I'll be back with the completed look. So yeah, this is the end of my video. I wanted to thank you guys for tuning in and watching me recreate this beautiful look of Canary. I love her. She is so bad, but in a good way. And she's protective of her family. I love her. She's very underrated, but she's a savage. I love her. She's the best. Yeah, so as far as what's coming up next, I want to do another cosplay video, but this one I think is going to be more so a movie, not an anime, but it's going to be great. I love this director, first of all, and I am so excited to show the look. I already kind of debuted this look during MegaCon, and actually I'm going to insert some pictures that I took at MegaCon with this look, with my Canary look. And yeah, but the next video is going to be even better, I think. I'm trying to learn the mechanics of like video editing and shooting. Is crazy. Like, it took me so long to try to figure out stuff, and my battery keeps running out, so I think I'm going to buy more batteries. But yeah, this is getting long. I want to wrap this up and just want to thank you guys for like even like watching this kind of stuff. But you know, I love this stuff. I love dressing up. I'm into role playing, that kind of thing. So yeah. So yeah. Thanks again, and look forward to my next video. Bye.